For this price point, they sound amazing. Yeah, it's crazy. What can I say? These are the OneOdio A10 hybrid ANC headphones. A super budget-friendly way if you want to get into the world of active noise cancellation. They look great, they sound great, especially for the price. So let's test them. Got the new drip from OneOdio. These are the A10 hybrid ANC active noise cancelling headphones. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now let's check it out. So here we go. That's the front of the box. Beautiful picture right here. It is looking really nice. We have this brand on the side, and on the other side the power of music. And lastly, on the back, of course, we have all the specs and the features. Great specs, great features, and the box is looking beautiful. Matte black, absolutely amazing box. And what's more, we will also get a nice hard case box. Look at that. Black fabric with a strap, nice zipper. This is what it looks like. Oh, that was smooth. I need to do that again. That is one smooth zipper. Oh, dropped the paperwork. There we go. It's all wrapped up. Hard case from the inside. We have this to keep it in place. Oh, shiny. Let's start with the accessories though. So we will get two cables. This aux cable right here, if you prefer to plug it in, that's around 1 meter right there. And we also get a charging cable. That's around 0.5 meter, and it's of course USB-A to USB-C. And now the paperwork. Here we have the front and the back. Actually, this will just unfold. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the same for the other side. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and there we have it. Dope manual. So to recap, you will get two cables, the headset, and a nice hard case, and of course the paperwork. Done with the unboxing, let's get to my first impressions and then to a close overview. Just one last thing, contact details right here. So here we go. It is super light, looks and feels amazing. Wearing this should be like a breeze. And look at that, super shiny, great build quality. Oh, super soft ear cups, great articulation as well. So here we have the cups with the L and the R. Ah yeah, wearing them feels great, super soft. That's this articulation and this articulation. Yeah, let's take a close look. Let's start with the left cup. We have the logo right here and this nice CNC pattern right here, milling pattern. Then we have this, well, it's hard to say if it's matte or shiny surface. It has quite a bit of shine to it. And of course the hinge, that's the top of the cup. And the cushioning right here. And on top that was the noise cancelling microphone. Here we have the USB-C port for charging it, and also here we have the ANC button with a little LED indicator. Actually, let's power it on. So when it's off, the light is off in the transparency mode, and in the noise cancelling in the ANC mode, this will light up green. The other cup is of course similar to the left one. The right one is similar to the left one, except of course the button. So, well, that's a mic right here. Then we have the aux port. There you can plug in the audio cable. Then we have the volumes, plus and minus right here. And we have the on-off button right here. And it's currently flashing blue and red because it's looking for a connection. Press and hold to turn it off, of course. Yeah, we already checked out the articulation, and we can also elongate it like so, or put it back together. And on top we have the branding looking good. And right here we have a super soft cushion for your head, of course. Other than that, this is solid, and that's the inside with a bit of text in here. Yeah, and lastly, let me actually show you what it sounds like.
Power on. Transparency mode. ANC on. ANC off. Power off. Power on.
So let's get a connection going.
Connected.
Easy as that. And now let's play a song. Wow, great clarity. Bass is also not too bad. For this price point, this is actually way better than expected. Good stuff. Now let me tell you all about the specs and the features. A10 is a product name, battery capacity 800 milliamp hours, 5 volt charging power, you know, regular USB power, charging time 2 hours, with ANC and Bluetooth up to 40 hours, just Bluetooth playing music, 50 hours of playtime, and if you're only using ANC, then up to 62 hours. Bluetooth range up to 10 meters or 33 feet, noise reduction depth, so the reduction is 35 minus 35 dB, 32 ohms impedance, driver diameter 40 millimeters, 20 hertz all the way up to 40 kilohertz, sensitivity minus 42 plus minus 3 decibels, and the net weight is just under 300 grams, 295 grams, super light. So and now let's finally test them. It is time once again for a binaural test. Binaural means you will hear what I hear. I have 2 microphones, 1 for each ear. So let's insert them. And this way, if you're also using headphones, high quality headphones, then you can hear what I hear in stereo. To demonstrate, I will use this speaker. Maybe close your eyes and then listen how the sound will go from the left side all the way across your face and then to the right side. So let's see. Pretty dope, right? And this way we can also test headphones. Let's listen to the headphone voice once again, then we will test the noise cancelling and then we will go for another sound test. And as you can see, due to these cables, the seal won't be perfect, so also the noise cancelling won't be perfect, but let's just see. For ANC, you of course need a perfect seal, so this needs to be adjusted as good as possible. So, ready to go. Okay, let's turn them on.
Power on. Connected.
Okay.
Transparency mode. ANC on. ANC off.
Okay, I will disconnect for now.
Disconnected. Pairing.
Noise cancelling is off.
ANC off.
Right on. There we go. No noise cancellation.
Transparency mode. ANC on. ANC off. Transparency mode. ANC on.
So yeah, when I press down a bit, the seal will of course get better. My glasses are a bit in the way and also the cables. If you don't have glasses or cables, then this won't be a problem for you. But yeah, just so you know, when I press down, the noise cancelling gets even better. Yeah. Alright, not too bad, not too bad. Good stuff. Yeah, now let's listen to my favorite song, as always. They sound good. For the prices, they sound amazing. They sound great. For this price point, they sound amazing. Yeah, it's crazy. What can I say? Tech is coming along. It's unbelievable. How is this possible? Oh my goodness, yeah, it's crazy. Good stuff. It's unbelievable. All right. So yeah, good value for the price, especially the build quality is extremely nice. Great design, great features, mechanically sturdy and versatile, and the sound quality is also decent, as you heard from the test. So all in all, especially for this price class, this This is definitely drippy. Check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.